In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF file in Outlook email body. Before we start, a quick heads up about Outlook on the web. It doesn't support placing a fully interactive PDF right inside the message, and it also doesn't allow inline PDF icons inside the text. What you can do, and what I'll show you, is attach your PDF so it appears within the Compose window as a visible attachment card. Recipients can click it to open or download, but it won't be editable in the email itself. Open your web browser and go to Microsoft.com. At the top, select All Microsoft to see the full list of apps and services, then choose Outlook. When Outlook loads, click Sign In and access your mailbox as you normally do. Once you're in your inbox, click New Mail to start a new message. With the Compose window open, look for the Insert option on the toolbar and select it. From the menu, click Attach File. Outlook gives you a few choices depending on where your PDF lives. If the file is on your computer, choose the option for your device and browse to the correct folder. If it's stored in your cloud storage, pick the corresponding location shown in Outlook. You can also use the recent items that appear if you've opened the PDF lately. Now click your PDF file to select it. Outlook will add it to your draft, and you'll see the PDF appear in the email as an attachment card. It shows the file name and type so your recipient can open it. Remember, this is not an inline page-by-page preview, and it isn't interactive or editable inside the message body. Take a moment to verify the correct file is attached and the name is clear. If you picked the wrong file, remove it and repeat the attach step to choose the right PDF. When you're satisfied, finish composing your message and send it as usual. That's it, quick and straightforward. You've added a PDF to the body of an Outlook web email in the way the service supports today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials.